Hello, I'm Rob with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Today we're introducing a new product. This is a zero clearance table insert. This so happens to be a Delta Cruzer 12-inch. There'll be a link to the description below for this model number for this saw and our product in the description below. We'll get right to it. We have taken the bolts out of the table insert already to save up a little bit of time on the video. And we're going to go ahead and install the zero clearance table insert. With the table insert, as you can see here, it comes with all the hardware and the wrench to put the insert in on this particular insert for this particular saw model. You want to start the screws. Do not torque them until you get all of them in. Would be the way works best. And you can see how I have the saw at this 45-degree angle. At this angle, you can get to all the screws on the insert. If you had it at 90, you would not be able to do all of them. So this so happens just to work best for getting to all the screws in the table insert. So now that I got this last one going in, I'll go ahead and set this so it sits flush. Alright, table inserts installed. We're making it easier here at Custom Fabricating Solutions. Thank you very much.